when I lost a baby tooth, my mother would bring it to my grandmother, and she would put it in a jar with my name on it and keep it for me. And she would say, she would take my hand and she'd go, Mizele, Mayzele, Mizele, Mayzele, nadera beindele, no, git mir a beindele, not nader an eisene. Mizele, Mayzele, Mizele, Mayzele, git mir a beindele, nader an eisene. That means, little mouse, give me a bone tooth, I'll give you an iron tooth. And that was one thing I learned from my grandmother.